Hey, YouTube, what's going on? This is Shenole again, and welcome to episode 2 of the Night and Day tutorial series. And so we're going to get everything set up so we can build this out. But before we do, let me just remind you that both in the first video, this video, and actually in every video of this series, you'll find 2 links in the descriptions area. The first link will bring you to the GitHub repo for this project, and then the second one will bring you to the home page for the Atom text editor that I'm using. It's at atom.io. You, of course, can use any text editor you want, but with that said, let's get things rolling. So the first thing we want to do is create the project folder. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to go to, well, actually, we are going to go to whatever section of your hard drive that you're going to keep projects, and we're going to call this, guess what? Night and Day. Fancy that. Pretty original. Okay, now within the project folder, we're going to need 3 more folders. The first one will be where we keep all of our images, so we will call it Images. And the second one will be where we keep our CSS style sheet, so we will call this Styles. And then finally, there is JavaScript involved with this, so we'll call this our Scripts folder. Scripts. All right, and that is all we need. Oops, I just created another folder which we do not need. So I'm going to go back, and now we have all we need for the folder part of the project. So let's download the actual files we need. So now you're going to want to get to the GitHub repo and click on the images tag. And actually, you know what? Let me show you something real quick. You could actually download everything by simply going to clone or download and then clicking the download zip file. You can definitely do it that way. I'm going to do it kind of, I guess, the old-fashioned or the hard way. So I'm going to go to images, and we're going to download these individually just because, well, just because. So click on background 01, which is the first background we need, and then click on download. And believe it or not, it will not download because you have to hit right-click and save image as. And we're going to navigate to the images folder for the project and save it. And now it has downloaded. So let's go to the next one, which we'll navigate back. We'll navigate back, and we got to go back to images and click on BG02 for background 2. Download, right-click, save image as, and save. Save, baby, save. All right, navigate back. Hit the images. Hit the file. Hit the download. Right-click, save images as, and save. Are you guys starting to see a pattern here? All right. Yeah, actually, back in my day, we would say I sound like a broken record. All right, so stars. Now, you don't really see the stars because this is all transparent and everything, but once you get it on a dark background, you'll actually see them, and you might have saw them for a split second there. Okay, right-click, save image as, save that bad boy. Okay, we got one more, a very important part. We have to have the sun. Hit the sun, hit the download, right-click so you can hit the save as, make sure you save, and we are done. We have all the files we need to build this out. I'm just going to bring this back to the repo here. Okay, so now that we've got all the files we need, the last thing we need to do is actually add the project folder to the text editor. Now, if you're using something other than Atom, you're going to have to follow whatever procedure is appropriate for that text editor. But with Atom, all you have to do is hit File, Add Project Folder, and we're going to add this Night and Day here. And that's it. We have the project folder, the 3 folders we created earlier, and the images folder, of course, contains all the images that we downloaded. Alright, so that should do it for video number 2. In the next video, we're actually going to start coding, and we're going to start with the HTML file. So, make sure you click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you share this with somebody that you care about. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.